Every few years, a device appears that triggers the same reaction. People look at it, notice a familiar shape, and say, Blackberry is back. That reaction says more about us than it does about the device itself. This time, the reaction is coming from a phone called the Clicks Communicator. It has a physical keyboard, it looks deliberate, it looks slower, and almost immediately it's pulled people back to time when phones felt different. But this video isn't about a Blackberry Rebirth, it's about why phones like this still exist, and why they keep reappearing whenever smartphone starts to feel overwhelming. To understand what's happening, we need to step away from the nostalgia and look at the reality. The Clicks Communicator is not made by Blackberry. It does not run Blackberry software. It is not trying to revive an old brand or compete with modern flagship phones. At its core, it's a modern Android device that makes one very intentional design choice. It brings back a physical keyboard. That keyboard is not there for novelty or retro appeal, it is there to change how you use phones. Clicks is not asking to be your only device. It's not promising better cameras, faster chip, or more features. Instead, it offers a different interaction model. And that interaction model only makes sense when you look at how smartphones evolved. Modern smartphones are incredibly powerful. They are fast, fluid, and visually dense. Almost everything is designed to reduce friction. Scrolling is effortless, switching app is instant. Notifications are constant and carefully tuned to pull your attention back. The frictionless design is not accidental. It works extremely well for consumption. Over time, phones stop feeling like tools and start feeling like environments. You don't pick them for specific tasks, you enter them, and this shift is important because it explains why devices like Clicks exist at all. A physical keyboard introduces resistance, not in a dramatic way but in a subtle physical one. Typing requires commitment, your hands are involved, your attention stays anchored to the act of writing instead of drifting toward whatever algorithm is trying to grab you next. You don't casually scroll on a keyboard phones, you don't mindlessly consume in the same way. That doesn't make the experience better for everyone, it makes it different. And bro, that difference is the entire point. When people compare Clicks to old Blackberry phone, they often miss why Blackberry worked in the first place. It wasn't just the keyboard, it wasn't just the design, it was timing. Blackberry phones existed in a moment when phones were primarily communication tool. Emails mattered, messaging mattered. Phones were meant to help you respond, coordinate, and get shit done. That world changed. Smartphone didn't fail, they succeeded, just in a different direction. They became platform for entertainment, media, and endless content. What didn't disappear? The desire to control. Clicks exist because a small group of users wants a phone that feels like a tool again. Clicks is not designed for most people. It's not meant for heavy social media users or anyone who wants one device to do everything effortlessly. It is designed for people who type a lot, people who live in email and messaging apps, people who want fewer accidental distraction without giving up modern softwares entirely. Clicks does not remove features, it does not lock you down, it adds friction, and for that right audience, that friction feels clarity. Clicks does not need mass adoption. It does not need to win market share or replace modern smartphones. It only needs to make sense for the people it was designed for. And to see that clearly, it helps to zoom out. Clicks is not alone in responding to smartphone overload. It simply responds in a specific way. At one end of the spectrum are phones like Light Phone. These devices remove almost everything. No feeds, no browsers, no limited tools. They are built for people who want less phone entirely. At other end are full smartphones that try to calm the experience through software, like phones running Nothing OS. These still offers same apps and capabilities, but with calmer visuals and less visual noise. Clicks sits between these two ideas. It does not remove functionality like minimalist phone. It does not rely only on visual calm like software skin. Instead, it changes the physical interaction. The middle position is exactly why it works for the specific audience and fails for everyone else. So when people ask whether this phone will succeed, they are usually asking the wrong question. The better question is whether this phone will understand its user. And in this case, it does. Products like this does not exist because BlackBerry was special. They exist because smartphones became very good at one thing, and some people want different balance. It isn't a comeback, it isn't a rebirth, it isn't a return to the past, it is a response to the present. And for the right person, the response makes sense. See you on the other side.